Have you ever opened a long article, email update, or insurance letter and thought, I don't have time to read all of this? I'll show you how to use AI to quickly summarize long text, pull out the important points, and tell you what you actually need to know. Welcome to AI for Your Mom, where we make AI simple and useful for everybody, everywhere, even your mom. Let's get started. First, open the article or web page you want to have summarized and copy the link. Some AI tools can read links, but if yours cannot, you can also copy and paste the text. Then open your AI tool. Today I'm using Claude because it's especially good with long text and documents. But you can use ChatGPT, Gemini, or other AI tools. Type the following prompt into the chat box. Please read the article at the following link and summarize it in plain language. Give me a one-paragraph summary, the 3 most important points, then paste the link. It may feel strange to say please to a computer program, but research has shown that saying please and thank you in your prompts can produce better results. Hit enter. Once you get the summary, you can ask follow-up questions like, make this into a checklist, or explain any confusing terms. Remember, AI can make mistakes. For anything important, like health, legal, money, or safety information, use it as a helper, but double-check the important details yourself. Now you know how to use AI to summarize a long article. Like and subscribe for more simple AI tips, and sign up for our newsletter to get our free AI starter guide and cheat sheet.